Hello, so what's up and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys 5 major lies about Restream that YouTube creators are telling us. Should I rephrase? 5 things about Restream that are all lies. And guys, if you're not using Restream yet, you have plans of using Restream, please pay attention to this video. Make sure you don't skip any parts of this video, because I'll be showing you guys things that you should expect from this Restream that some of these creators are not being completely honest about. Okay, I've used Restream before, so I know what I'm telling you. It is not what they are saying it is. So the more you look, the less you see. And I fell victim, and I wouldn't want you to also fall victim of some of those things to avoid having issues, or they said they did not say. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to the channel. If you're a subscriber, you know I already love you. Do say subscribe. Okay, now without much ado, let's get into it. Now, if you're coming across this word Restream for the first time, Restream.io is a platform that helps you to stream your videos online for a long period of time, so you can get your watch hours. Some people are using it to get their watch hours and getting their channel monetized. If you've not heard of Restream before, or if you don't understand how it works, please, I made a video on how to create your account using Restream. Do well to check the description box to the link to that particular video and get your channel monetized in 2025. 2025 should be your year of monetization. Stop wasting time waiting for views that are not waiting for you. Get your Restream account up already, restream your videos, get your watch hours, and monetize your channel. So now back to what I was saying. Number one lie about Restream. You can be streaming your videos with your phone and be doing other things with that same phone. You will go and start your streaming and you already live on YouTube, and because you're on Chrome, you feel like you can minimize your browser and go and press your phone on Facebook, or go to WhatsApp and reply a message, or go and watch videos on YouTube with the same phone, with the same device that you're using to stream. Hey God, don't try this at home. By the time you're going to reply that WhatsApp chats, and then going to Facebook and Instagram and TikTok to go and get a little gossip, and you come back to your browser, you will notice that your Restream has ended, your video has ended, your streaming has ended on its own. Do not make that mistake. Now, the second lie they always tell you, or they'll not even tell you, but they'll tell you one part and keep one part to themselves. If your battery is full, you can Restream. All you have to do is make sure that your battery is 100% and you can stream for as long as you want. That is a lie from the pit of what? Pit of what? Do not fall victim. Of course, your battery is supposed to be charged. Good. But what you need to know is that Restream drains battery. Streaming from that your browser could drain your battery tire. Jesus Christ. You can't have 100% battery and you want to stream for 5 hours, 6 hours, 7, your battery will die off. Okay, so you can even have the 100% battery and you can stream for 2 hours. Yes, the battery can sustain it. 3 hours, I don't really know. 4 hours cannot stay like that. So you guys have this mindset that, okay, my battery is full, I can start my Restream and I'll go and start sleeping. Maybe you want to sleep throughout the whole night. Baby girl, baby boy, by the time you wake up in the morning, you'll notice that your streaming has ended 2 hours ago. 3 hours ago, because your battery went off. Streaming drains battery. Restream drains battery. They won't tell you this part, I'm telling you. The third lie they are telling you about Restream. You can always stream and go to bed. You just start your streaming and you go off and do other things you want to do. You don't have to worry till whenever you decide to end. It's true, yes, but there is a but to it. You can stream and go, but you cannot go and remain there. You have to continue checking your streaming, how it's going, because you might experience an unstable network connection and your streaming will end and you will not even be aware, and you might be there doing something or thinking that the streaming is still ongoing, not saying that the streaming already ended. So you have to keep checking that you're streaming, even if you have other things you're doing. As you're sleeping, open one eye and be checking your Restream. Be there to monitor your live stream. The fourth lie they are telling you about Restream. Once you end your live stream, you check your dashboard and the watch hours reflect immediately. But that's not actually true. The watch hours do not reflect immediately. And sometimes you might be there checking your dashboard thinking that you didn't do it well or something happened or you didn't get it. You don't know that that's not how it works. Once you end your live stream, if you go to your dashboard, you see the views coming in, but you're not going to see your watch hour immediately. You won't see how many watch hours that live stream gave you immediately. It will take you like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe even 1 hour to see the watch hour reflect on your dashboard. Because first of all, the views will be coming in gradually till the number of views are complete. When the views are complete, you will not see the watch hours on your dashboard. And sometimes the full watch hour does not even reflect till after 24 hours or even 48 hours. So sometimes you might even after maybe 24 hours, you might be seeing 100 watch hours on your dashboard. After 2 days, if you go back, you'll be seeing like 120 watch hours on that same video because then YouTube has already calculated the real watch hour and fed to your dashboard. So don't go and start giving yourself headache and crying when you end your live streams and you're seeing 0 watch hours there because they told you that once you end your live stream, you watch hours. No. Now, the fifth lie they're telling you about Restream, the same thing they told me, and I'm trying to correct that impression right now. You can use free songs from your editing app for your Restream. The songs are free, quite alright. Maybe if you're using CapCut, you now go and see a free song and you add because they said the song is free. Okay, I did not send you. Also, if you decide to even use the songs available on the Restream app, you want to add songs to your Restream and you're choosing from the ones on the Restream, you will still attract copyright claim on your Restream. So if you want to attach songs to your videos, download the song from YouTube audio library. That is where you can actually use all those free songs there. Download any of them, add it to the video, the Restream video before you even export. So that when it starts playing on your live stream, they won't tell you it's a copyright claim or whatever. If you go and start using the ones in your CapCut or in your InShot app or on the Restream app itself, it will give you a copyright claim attached to the video. So please don't use any free song apart from the one on YouTube audio library. Okay? So please, like I said, if you're yet to use Restream, make sure you pay attention to the things I just mentioned. Just have it at the back of your mind to avoid they said. If you're already using Restream, please also have it at the back of you so you don't go and make these mistakes later on. I'm still going to show you guys in my other videos the pros and cons of using Restream. These things are things that some of these creators still not even tell you, but I'm here to share it with you guys. This is not to discourage you, but to encourage you to get your channel monetized. Yes, even with using Restream, but also apply with caution. With caution. I'll see you guys in my next video, and if you're not subscribed yet, sweethearts, do subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out a single thing. See you guys when I see you. Bye.